Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alberta at 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Thursday, July 16, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Fort Saskatchewan and northern Strathcona County. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for the city of Edmonton, St. Albert, Sherwood Park, and Strathcona County near Ardrossan and Cooking Lake. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Smoky Lake County near Smoky Lake and Wassetna. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for Thornhill County near Thornhill, Opal, and Radway. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Leduc County near Kalmar and Devon, Wetaskiwin County near Pigeon Lake, Leduc County near Leduc, Beaumont, and Kavanaugh, Leduc County near New Sarepta and Raleigh View, and Wetaskiwin County near Wetaskiwin, Millets, and Highway 2. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Spruce Grove, Morinville, Mayerthorpe, Evansburg, Fort Saskatchewan, Vegreville, Redwater, Smoky Lake, City of Edmonton, St. Albert, Sherwood Park, and Drayton Valley, Devon, Rimbey, Pigeon Lake. A severe thunderstorm watch is changed to a tornado watch for Leduc, Camrose, Wetaskiwin, Tofield.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour une alerte de Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alberta at 5:47 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Thursday, July 16, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Smoky Lake County near Vilna, Saddle Lake, and Whitefish Lake. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Smoky Lake County near Smoky Lake and Wassetna. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for
Can't reach
County
the dam.
near Kalmar and Devon, Wetaskiwin County near Pigeon Lake, Leduc County near Leduc, Beaumont, and Kavanaugh, Leduc County near New Sarepta and Raleigh View, and Wetaskiwin County near Wetaskiwin, Millets, and Highway 2. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Fort Saskatchewan and northern Strathcona County, City of Edmonton, St. Albert, Sherwood Park, and Strathcona County near Ardrossan and Cooking Lake. A severe continued for the following regions: Spruce Grove, Morinville, Mayerthorpe, Evansburg, Fort Saskatchewan, Vegreville,
There was a tornado
Redwater,
watch for
Smoky
Leduc.
Lake, City of Edmonton,
I don't know if that's
St.
still
Albert,
up in the air
Sherwood
or
Park,
what's happening.
and Drayton
They
Valley,
don't know if it's a
Devon,
watch or
Rimbey,
it's going to be a
Pigeon
warning
Lake.
yet.
A severe thunderstorm watch is changed to a tornado watch for Leduc, Camrose, Wetaskiwin, Tofield.
Yeah.
Environnement Canada
Leduc
a
is
mis à jour une alerte d'orage violent pour
a little
nord
less
de
than an hour
l'Alberta à 17h30,
away from me.
avancée des Rocheuses,
So,
le jeudi 16
keeping the weather
juillet
radio on for some
2020.
updates here.
Alerte d'orage violent.
That's that tree. I'll tack the video on to. I just posted the other thunderstorm video from out at the lake this past weekend. We had some pretty heavy hail. Just got back home a few days ago, and I came home to the tree. Not the whole tree, but the whole half of the tree down in the yard in the county came out yesterday and ground up a bunch of it, and they took the whole stump, or the stick that was left up, the whole trunk. They took the trunk down, and there's just a stump. They said they said if it hasn't been ground in a year, if they haven't come out to grind out the stone in a year, then call us. And I thought, well, in a year, I guess they're that busy that they. But I'll tackle on that video of the tree in the yard in the county taking it apart.